Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join a meeting with a code on Google Meet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at the top of the screen the join with the code option. So it's really simple. You have to click on that, and here you have to enter the code provided by the meeting organizer. All right, so here is an example you can see, and after that you typed in that code, you have to click on the join, which is at the top right corner, and then you are in the meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.